Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for joining in, and if you're an older subscriber, thanks for coming back. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the Influencer app. I did receive a box from them, and I wanted to review the products and then tell you guys a little bit about the Influencer app and how awesome it is. So yeah, let's just really quick. Influencer is an app. They basically help you discover new makeup. You get to review makeup, and it also helps you get tips and stuff. They do everything from beauty to food to clothes, and it's super easy to use. So this is kind of what it will look like if you have it. So it's just a little app. You have all this beauty, and you can review makeup that you have bought before. Like I reviewed Aquaphora, the Butter Gloss, just a lot of stuff that I've previously purchased. And then the other fun side to them is that they send you things. So what they usually send is like a Vox box, and then they have this, and it will look like that on the back. And what it basically is, they send you products to review, and you don't, for those people who are wondering, you do not get paid for this. This is fair, just only for fun, but I like it because I get to try out new products and get to tell people about it and get a free product too. Like, come on. And full size products. Some of the products will be sample size, but some of them will be full size products. So yeah, let's just, so for my Vox box, I got the Chic Vox box. It came with 4 items. It came with the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. If you guys had seen my previous video, which I will leave a link in the description box below, I reviewed this with my almost all NYX products, and I like this mascara. I really like the formula and everything. I can't stand the brush. I'm gonna be super honest. I cannot stand the brush. It's just so basic. Like, it's a typical, you know, mascara brush. Like, I was hoping that, you know, they did it up with the brush, because I feel like the brush and with good formula, those two together, this will be super unstoppable. I hope NYX makes like a Worth the Hype 2.0, because that would be super awesome, just for the simple fact that hook up the brush and keep the same formula. A1 steak sauce. But I really do like this mascara because it makes me look like I have lashes when I really do, but they're really short. The thing I truly love was the EO's Unique Skin Friendly Super Smooth Shave Cream. Now this is a really nice shave cream. It's literally a cream. It's not a foam, it's a cream. And I recommend this if you have super dry skin. Like, I have dry skin, so anything that's sensitive and moisturizing base when I shave my legs is okay with me. This also has aloe and wild oat in it, and lavender butter, and there's no fragrances. So if you're sensitive to crazy fragrances, this is for you. I really like this. I used it once and it left my legs super duper smooth. And this actually retails for, so they have 2 of them. They have a sensitive skin one, which is this one, and then they have a dry skin one, and they're both $3.99. So all of this for $3.99 is worth it, especially because this is such a really awesome thing. I got was a hair food. It's by Clairol. So I had used it, and I thought I saved it, but I didn't save the packaging. It was just in this little sample size. It wasn't like a big shampoo bottle or anything that I can physically show you guys. But it was a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. I loved both of them. I feel like the shampoo did its thing, and the conditioner, I really like the conditioner. I'm definitely going to get the conditioner. Both of them retail for $10, which is a reasonable price, especially the fact that because they're both super awesome. Like, they're both a good product. Just to give you guys a little bit about it, it's Clairol's hair food line of shampoos and conditioners inspired by nutritionists and crafted by hair experts to nourish your hair without parabens or mineral oils. Now, when I see no parabens and mineral oils, I was like, okay. And then, you know, I also don't have a lot of hair, so I was just like seeing how it would leave my hair laying down, and how it would treat my scalp. My scalp was not dry or flaky or anything. It literally left me with shiny hair and a moisturized scalp. One, it is called KORRES. I don't know if I'm saying this right. I want to say KORRES, but I'm probably messing it up. I will leave a little text box up here or something. But this is the Pomegranate, KORRES, and Enzymes Resurfacing Mask for oily to combination skin. Now, I did not use this because it's a triple power resurfacing facial peel, and like I said, I do have dry skin, so that will be like my main worry, is to like strip my skin more of what it already like slowly makes. So I said I will probably definitely use this after I take off makeup or something, but I didn't want to use it because I have a mask that I already used, which I also have a video for, which is the Freeman sugar scrub gel mask, and that really exfoliates my skin and leaves it so beautiful. And I didn't want to use this because if it's going to be resurfacing, I didn't want my skin to get extra dry and break out, because when it's super dry, it will break out and my face is not cute. It's just all bad. That's all I'm gonna say. But I am going to give this a try in the future, but I do like the smell of this. It's just I got nervous and I did not want to try this out. Now, this retails for $34. This obviously is not $34, but the bigger one will be, which will be like maybe like 7 ounces or something, I believe. But the bigger one retails for $34.90, well, $34 even. So yeah, if you're looking for something to resurface your skin, if you have oily skin, if you have combination skin. Now, combination skin basically is when you're oily in certain spots but dry in other spots, or you just have skin that always constantly changes with the weather, basically. So this product will probably be definitely perfect for you. But yeah, that was all my you know, takeaways. My favorite was the EOS and the Worth the Hype, and that shampoo and conditioner was my favorite, and I wish I kept the little sample packet so you could see what it actually looks like. But yeah, I didn't. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, you guys, and thank you for supporting me once again. Let's try to get to 100 subscribers soon, because once I get there, I'll be so happy. I'll be so proud of myself. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out some other of my videos. I will leave those 2 down below, and you guys have a wonderful day.